My name is Katie. I'd like to welcome you guys to Best of Me. It's a show put up by the students and the teachers. It's a concept developed by Santosh and Suman. Having taught and performed all over the world and still traveling and teaching around the world.
Hey guys, I'm Sophie Chaudhary and I'm here to talk about my experience and my bond with Salsa India. So a few years ago at an MTV event, I saw KG perform and it was always my dream ever since I was a kid to learn some form of Latin salsa. I grew up in London and I used to watch all those salsa movies and I used to wish I could dance like that. And I never imagined that I would come to India and find people who dance so well. So I learned a little bit with him and saw the growth of so many people around me, and it was always so inspiring. Yes, Katie's a tough taskmaster and I wish I had stuck it out a little bit longer. It was too short, but at least I got the basics right and managed to live a little bit of my dream of dancing to Latin music.
Hi, I'm Ashwin Mushran, and first of all, my personal experience with Salsa India was Bobby Salsa India when they began in Bombay. Katie was the founder, was a friend of mine. And it's good to see that Salsa India is still carrying on after so many years. They're responsible for bringing a lot of dance and bringing a lot of the Latin dance form to Bombay. So I'm really happy and proud that they're carrying on after all these years.
Hi guys, I'm Santosh. I'm the director of Salsa India Mumbai.
Hi, this is Suman from Salsa India, Assistant Director. Best of Me, the experience has been incredible because we have involved with two other different dance schools, that is Dance Dynamics and Adhikara. I would like to thank them as well because they bring a lot of variety to the dance event that we are doing, which is Best of Me. And we are doing salsa, we are doing bachata, we are doing lavani, we are doing hip hop. So there are so many different dance forms. So the audience, you will be able to watch a spectacular show because you will probably have not seen so many different dance forms in one platform in one show.
Thank you for all your support and helping us to bring out the best in them.
Hi, I'm Ada. I am the founder of Adhikara Dance Style. We are one of the pioneers of teaching dance in the country. We are an insanely creative dance academy. We perform Soltatkar. This is one amazingly intense dance form which has elements of belly dance, which is an Egyptian classical dance, Indian classical dance, which is Kathak, and Sufi folk emotions behind each performance.
I grew up in London and I went to an all-girls school, this very small private kind of school, and we used to have annual performances, and I remember that I decided I would become Sridevi and do Moreni Banga Pule Adi in one leg. Actually, I thought that there would be something special for all the non-Desis, and my school only had about 5 Desi people in it, and of course they loved it. So that was one of my first performances. I love the stage, I love performing. I think I was most nervous, Jhalak is nerve-wracking, let me tell you, but I was probably most nervous when KG told me after about a week of me doing a little bit of classes that, yeah, you can perform in the festival. I died. It was totally nerve-wracking. It was a bachata performance. If I look back on it, I'm sure it wasn't that amazing, but I guess for somebody who had just learned for a couple of weeks, maybe we did a good job. He is a wonderful teacher and I know he does an amazing job with everybody who comes to him.
The only thing that I was facing when we started the Best of Me concept, and most of the students, they were really scared and nervous to go on stage. They would all come up to me asking questions like, will I be able to perform in just 2 months? Do you think we'll be able to look good? But that time I remember I told them that, guys, just give us 2 months and you'll be surprised because what you learn in 6 months, you will definitely learn in those 2 months. And I'm really happy that they have worked so hard. They have tried and give their best, and today now they're going to be performing in front of you guys.
Everyone have to give their best, So like picking and choosing which performance is good or who is good on stage and everything won't be justified because everyone is like dancing for like 2 months.
More than 90% of the students, they are all basic dancers, And so in just 2 months what they have achieved is incredible, I must say.
I live by the line best of me because no matter what you're doing, you have to give your 100%. For me, as long as you're giving your 100%, that is the best of you. So no matter what it is, no matter what aspect of my life, whether it's a performance, a movie, or just in daily life, I try to give the best of me because life is too short. So when you go out on stage tonight, make sure you give the best of you, even if it's just for those few minutes.
I'd like to thank 2 schools that cooperated with South India to create this event. These schools are Dance Dynamic and Ada Kaira. I hope I've pronounced it right. Thank you to both the schools for your support and your effort in trying to make this event successful. Thank you very much. I want to thank Radio City 91.1 FM and Absolute India. Thank you very much for your support and your effort in trying to promote the event. It means a lot to me and it means a lot to us.
Best of me, I think it's just it's allowing yourself to express yourself in probably the most free way you can. Just probably dance with your soul, dance with everything within yourself. Don't dance for other people, you dance for yourself. So I think best of me to show what you have inside of yourself. If you do that, then people will see that.
For Best of Me, it's such an amazing experience. It's like our family becoming bigger and bigger. Few people are performing salsa there, few people are performing jazz, contemporary, belly dance, kathak. All of them are coming together. There's so much to learn, so much to share, so much to express. There's a lot of creativity, thoughts, innovation, and performances.
We are very proud of you.
Students and
One more time. Let's just go.
Together. 1, 2, 3.
we are very proud of you students and make sure that you give your best.
Can we just say we are proud of you?
बस इतना में कुछ नहीं होता है.
That's too long.
No, you have to.
Just say we are proud of you.
Okay, we are proud. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Now I'd like to wish all the students who are backstage, they must be warming up, they must be nervous. I know what this feels like. So I know you guys are going to do a great job. It doesn't really matter. Just go there, have fun. And to people in the audience, please support them because I know it takes a lot of effort. They're nervous, they're not professionals. Even professionals like me, we get nervous and we do want support from people because it makes us want to perform better. It makes us feel nice to be there and perform.
So I know you hear this all the time, dance like no one's watching, perform dil se, give it all you got, and it's easier said than done, but I'm somebody who is always performing on stage and the only way to do it well is if you love it and if you enjoy it. I'm really excited for the Salsa India team. I'm so proud of Santosh and Suman. I think they're doing an amazing job with everybody. And to all the performers out there, we're totally rooting for you, so just go out on stage and live your dream. Have a great time.
This is to all participants of Best of Me. I wish you all the best of me, the best of you, of course. I'm sure you'll have a fabulous show and many more to come. So, go for it.
Thank you for all your support and helping us to encourage bring out the best in them.
All my good wishes to all the students practicing whichever style they want to.
Best of